temperature of 92. At Lewisburg, it was fair with a The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 576, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Person, and Randolph. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather, radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA weather, radio, all hazards, station WXL 58, operating on frequency 162.